I get a lot of emails, a lot of DMs, a lot of questions from new people to the industry or people totally outside the industry or people I'm just meeting out in public that are completely like floored when I say these knives cost $900 and up. And in this video, I just want to explain why, how, why we justify it and why we do everything that we do in order to be able to charge such a dollar amount for our knives. So this is our Norseman knife, and I realized, Aaron and I were just talking, I realized we haven't really shown like a knife in a video in quite a while. So this is number 1020. We individually serialize every single knife this is from. We also put a date, June 2018. Love having the date on the knives. So this is our Norseman knife, very high quality, powdered stainless steel blade from Sweden, Damasteel. Damasteel is the brand. This is RWL 34. Titanium handles, only the best quality materials everywhere. We manufacture the screws, the pivot, the thumb stud, the blade, the spacers, the clip, the handles. We do everything in-house, and that's a huge part of the cost that we put into this knife. Like, we pour our heart and soul into this knife, and this business is now almost 9 years old, that Eric and I have grown from nothing, from the garage, into something that's becoming substantial. We've got 7 people working here. We're growing. We're always looking at more machinery, bigger shop, etc., etc. And it's a piece of functional art. You know, there is the design aspect that goes into it too. It's something you can spend a good amount of money on, yet use and enjoy and appreciate on a daily basis. And I hear from my customers all the time that say that when I carry my Norseman or my Rask and use it throughout the day, it reminds me of what quality is and what it means. And every time the customer uses it, they think of our story and our mission and, you know, our strive for perfection. And it actually makes the customer strive for that perfection in their own life too, which, you know, warms my heart to my soul. Knowing that customers can just like hold it and feel it and be reminded of what quality and craftsmanship actually is, and take that experience into their own lives. That's cool. That is so much fun for me. Other than that, I mean, we've also got our Rask knife, which is, there's a lot of similarities, but there's a lot of differences too. It's smaller, it's sleeker, it's lighter. It's a more traditional blade shape as opposed to the kind of funky time Norseman. But again, it's the same level of craftsmanship, of quality that we put into everything that we do, and everyone here, down to the videos that Aaron is filming and editing, down to the, you know, lapping machine that Sky is crushing. We do heat treat in-house. We do all of the manufacturing. So not only do we put in insane amount of work to machine the parts to the absolute best of our ability and get better every day, we spend a crazy amount of time hand finishing every single part, polishing, grinding, inspecting with microscopes. Eric and Yo work incredibly hard to make the knives absolutely perfect, to sharpen them ever so perfect, to anodize them amazing colors, and assemble them so that they all feel the same across our entire product line. It's awesome. Water jet cutting and double disc grinding was the only 2 things we outsource, and they're like pre-roughing steps. After that, we do everything in-house, and there's a lot of cost involved with that. Not only having 7 employees and paying them well, but buying the absolute best equipment that is on the market. This kind of equipment makes aerospace parts and medical components and vehicles. There's a buddy of mine who works at Tesla that has the exact same mill at Tesla as we have, the DMG Mori. And these are amazing machineries that come with a very, very hefty price tag. And in order to operate this business, we need to charge good money for our product. The value is there. So not only do we have to charge that kind of money, but internally we have to look at the product and we have to say, how do we deliver the absolute best product, most quality, and most value to the customer, so that the customer can justify this price to their wife, because I hear that a lot too. So either they don't tell their wife, or they, you know, are able to justify it through the experience that we've given, through all the videos, through all the, you know, social medias, and it's fun for us to be able to share the story. And the customers that follow us, they know, they intrinsically understand the value You know, it's like Aaron was saying, a piece of artwork can easily be, you know, 500,000, up. People pay millions of dollars for artwork too. Well, this is artwork too. This is mechanical artwork that's actually functional. You can carry it, you can use it, you can open up all your Amazon packages, and there's a lot of intrinsic value in what we do, and we're always trying to promote that more and more too. I mean, same goes for the pen. This is a $300 US Saga pen, and I have no fear charging that kind of money for what is essentially a ballpoint pen, because I know what goes into it, and believe me, I can't charge less for this pen because we put that much work into it, that much design and thought and effort. And I've heard from many customers that have them, they love it. It's that, you know, it's got that same kind of clicky sound feel that everything that we do. And that's just what we do. We're like, I like to relate us to kind of the Rolex of the industry, the Ferrari of the industry. Very, very expensive products when you could go out and buy a Toyota Camry or whatever. But if you're looking for the ultimate, for the best, that's who we are. That's who we strive to be. And we're going to charge for that. And we're going to, you know, charge enough to make a very sustainable business so we can grow, buy the best equipment, hire the best employees, pay everybody really well, and deliver everything we have to the customer. And everybody's happy. So that's why this costs $300 and the knife costs $900 and up, and I ain't gonna apologize for that. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and check out some more videos. We got a lot of cool stuff.